Right, in this video I'm just going to show how to get the van into its actual service position. The space inside the VW T4s is relatively restricted, and because of that VW have made it so the front of the grille and the radiator can actually lift up and out, and then that gives you a lot more access into the engine bay to do any works or repairs. Generally, to get the front panel off and the radiator out, you need to take this front grille off. There's a couple of screws, one there, and one there. I've already taken that one out. And then there's this slam panel. This needs to come off. That's just got a couple of bolts, one there, one that side. There's a couple of retaining clips on this front panel. They just pull out, and then the radiator itself should just lift up and out. So I'll start undoing these bits and bobs, and I'll run through exactly how this comes out, just in case anybody else is wondering how to gain better access into the engine bay if they're doing any work on the van. So I'll get my toolkit out and I'll start undoing these bits and bobs and show you exactly how to get the engine service area out and free up some space in the engine bay. Right, so that's all the bits undone. As I say, there's not really a lot to undo really. You've got a couple of small screws just going along the front, then you've got the two nuts on the actual slam bar there, and now it's just a case of undoing these front retaining clips on the actual front slam panel itself. That should just pull away, then everything else just lifts up and straight out. As I say, I'll just show you that now. Right, so there's the front slam panel and the main strut brace off. So as I say, now that just leaves the actual radiator itself, and now the radiator should just lift up and out. It's on a couple of hinges down there, so as I say, it's just a case of very gently lifting it up, folding it out, and then resting it down on top of the bumper, and then that'll be the radiator out into the service area. Right, so as you can see, now the radiator's pulled forward. Those are just the little hinges that it folds forward and backwards onto, so once you see those you know you're laughing. And now it's pulled forward, as you can see there's a hell of a lot more access just into the engine bay, around the belts, this, that, the other. So if you are struggling for space, for working space in the van, as I say, it's just a case of undoing a few screws, a couple of bolts, lifting the radiator up, pulling it forward. And then, as I say, it frees up all of this extra space that you just wouldn't be able to get your arms into, and then, as I say, you can crack on with any work that you need to. Now, I've put this forward because I'm doing a slight little radiator repair. I've got a small little leak just in the bottom corner down there, so I'm going to be trying some rad weld on that, some K-seal stuff. So do have a look at my channel just to have a look at that. But in the meantime, I just thought I'd show you how to get this radiator out into the service position, and then you can get in, do more bits and bobs on the actual engine bay itself that you need to. So I hope you found this video useful. As I say, check my channel. There's loads of other videos on the channel in regards to maintenance, repair and conversion of this VW T4 high top. And if you found the video useful, do give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Now in the meantime, I'll just finish the video off just by putting the reverse back into position, and then as I say, it's just a case of reversing the actual procedure to get everything back. go, that is the full radiator system, or the cooling system, back into its place, all seated properly, all of the slam bars in place properly. As I say, the clips for the front slam panel, they just clip straight in. That's as long as you've actually got good clips. If you haven't got good clips, you can get replacement clips online. Mine are okay, it does go in and out okay. So there you go, that is how you get the full grill off, slam bar off, and the full radiator coolant system up and out into the service position, just so you can get in and do any work that you need to do in the engine bay. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and do hit that subscribe button as well, and check out my channel for other videos regarding the conversions that I'm undertaking at the moment. Thanks for watching. Cheers.